How to find and sync contacts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and sync contacts on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, you can see the option labeled as Account Center. So simply tap on that. And now choose your information and permissions on the new page. Now after that, simply tap on Upload Contacts, and here simply choose your account that you want to sync to, and after that on the new page you'll see the option labeled as Connect Contacts. So simply toggle on that option, and that's it. That's how you can enable contact syncing on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.